This is a journey to financial freedom. Stick with me up to the end to get this valuable lesson about money. Why do some people work their entire lives and still struggle financially, while others achieve financial freedom early? The difference is not how much they earn, it's what they understand about money. Today, we'll break down the most important financial concepts every beginner must know: assets, liabilities, return on investment, profit, loss, break even, and why the 8-to-5 job keeps many people trapped in the rat race. Let's start with assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the rich focus on building assets first. Examples of assets include rental houses, businesses, dividend-paying shares, farms, and even YouTube channels. If it generates income whether you work or sleep, it is an asset. Now let's talk about liabilities. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Cars, personal houses, loans, and credit card debt are all liabilities because they cost you money every month. This is why many people earn good salaries but remain broke. Return on investment, or ROI, tells you whether an investment is worth your money. If you invest 100,000 shillings and make a profit of 30,000, your return on investment is 30%. The rich always ask one question: how fast and how well will my money come back to me? Profit is what remains after all expenses are paid. Loss happens when expenses are higher than revenue. Break even is when revenue equals expenses. No profit, no loss. Many people work hard every month just to break even, and without proper records they can't even realize. That's survival, not financial freedom. The 8-to-5 job is not bad, but it has serious limitations. Now in this case, your income is fixed. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Imagine your time being traded for money, and there are only 24 hours in a day where you only work 8 hours a day. This is why relying on one salary is risky. Robert Kiyosaki calls this cycle the rat race, whereby you get a job, earn a salary, increase your expenses, take loans, work harder, and repeat for 40 years. Just imagine, 40 years of limited freedom, anxiety, and financial traumas. So how do you escape this rat race trap? The rich escape the rat race by building assets that pay them even when they stop working. Financial freedom is when your assets generate enough income to cover your living expenses. Start small, learn about money, control expenses, reduce liabilities, build assets. You don't escape the rat race by earning more. You escape it by thinking differently. If this video helped you understand money better, like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll discuss how to start building your first income-generating asset with little money. Financial freedom begins with knowledge. Thank you.